Now see this. Hi. Okay, this is another video of previous lecture. Okay, in that lecture I'll complete it only two sections, 2 pages of that. First is what? Image gallery, and other one is what? Other one is this. Now third one is remaining. Third one is this. Okay, this lecture will complete into this section of the lecture, third page, and you can also see previous coding of this lecture. Okay, now I'm completing this lecture. See how to do. Okay, lecture 2 is completed here. Previous lecture page is completed. Okay, see the coding, how it's adjusted. You can already in previous same coding applied. Here is also same coding. Okay, only one row, and class name is same, boundary section, and give every class separate. Okay, thumbnail, and here is also another style, have charts. Okay, and width. You can also give here caption. See how to do. Same coding apply here, like div class call md4. Okay, and you must close this div, and other one is what? Div class thumbnail, and you must close this div. img image, okay, 3.jpg alt is equals to f. This is the name of this, as you see here. Okay, and style width, that is what? 50%. Now I want to give okay caption class. Okay, close this div, and you can give any name like picture 3, save it, and see onto the website. This is the image 3. Okay, now how to do all of the images. Okay, you can see this here, like circle. I want to create again container and apply here a circle. I will to apply this circle because circle image like here is also into circle style, the oval shape. Okay, div class container, into this container I want to apply circle style. Okay, and here is a paragraph and image, okay, src image take. In this image class img-circle you must call this. Okay, alt is also property and you can give width and height, then it will completely do. See how to do this. First we will create class container. Okay, this div here. This div is also here. Only leave this div as a row. I want to div class container and you must close this div. It's a circle. Okay, and now in circle you can also give some definition here and start image take, like it's a circle image. Now start with image take, give the name like 3.34 dot jpg is the picture name and apply other styles. Okay, this one you can see here. Okay, and class is equals to img-circle. Okay, img-circle into this style and alt is equals to sync tab. Alt is equals to you can see here. Okay, as you seen can apply, like here C is capital, same properties you can see here, and give width is equals to 304 and height is equals to 236, then it makes a circle, otherwise not be. Width is equals to 304 and height is equals to like here 236. Save it. Now see the effect onto our website. Here is a circle image. Okay, you can see here, this is a div frame and this is not div frame. You can see third one is div class is equals to container round image. Okay, this is another style, like 4 sections of an image and 4 sections here, rounded curve form. Okay, img dash rounded alt sim tab and sim properties. See how to do this. And here like div is closed. Now start another property, sim property here. Okay, coding is sim. And give any heading. Rounded image. Okay, rounded image. We see the paragraph. It is a rounded image. Okay, 5.jpg class img dash rounded. Okay, this class round img dash rounded and other one is same. Okay, as you can see here, this coding alt okay, sim tab and width okay, width is equals to 304 and height is equals to 236. Okay, and this is the row of that image, and I want to close this here, this div. Press Ctrl S to save it and see onto our website. This is a round image. You can see this sections. This is a round, and this is a not round, and this is a rounded form. You can also changing the size of the images. For example, I want to change that 100%. We have already done in previous lectures, image number 1, and save it and see, press Ctrl S. Okay, this will become completely frame. Size is, the div frame size is 100%, equal all parts. Okay, this is the 50%. You can change the size of the images. This is the result of the images, and this 3 section coding of the images. Okay, we have already done in previous lecture, and here is completed. And you can see also coding here. Okay, we have already done in previous lectures, and this section I have completed in today's lecture. This is the image gallery, and it's most important for every website. how to set an image into any website. Other viewers or visitors are more impressed about your website, how to make it, and good looking of pictures, image galleries, all of them. You can set it, okay, size, anything, style as you wish. Okay, if any problem about this lecture, give me comments below of this video description. Thanks.